Now we will have a look at how to open files using the with statement. So there is a with statement, which is a statement which is good practice to use when working with files. So it's used in exception handling to make code cleaner and easier to read. Also, when you open a file, you don't need to close the file. It will do that for you. And because they are properly closed down, it frees up resources. It also ensures the changes are written properly back to the file. So now if we use the with statement with the open function, open parenthesis and specify my file path, and then we need to specify the keyword as file : and then on the next line we print file.read. If we have a look at our desktop, if we have a look at the file, we can see the content within our file. So now if we run the file, we get the contents back. So this is best practice to use the with statement. So with the open statement, if we have noticed, we have not closed the file. We don't have to, because using the with statement ensures the open file is automatically closed after the flow of execution of the block of code. So when we open a file and execute our block of code, the with statement closes the file for us. So it's good practice, and because they are properly closed down, it frees up resources. We can also use the write option with the with statement as well. If we change this to file.write, it would be whatever it's called over here as file. So if I call it my underscore file, I guess I'd call it my underscore file over here. And then if we remove this dot, and we can see the write option in here. And then in here we can specify our content as we have done previously using the write option, or we pass it as a variable. The content has changed. That should do it. Let's run the file. And as we can see, it's unsupported, not writable, because we have not specified our mode. I did not specify one, and if you do not specify one, by default it opens it up in the read mode. So let's specify the mode. And the mode will be a W for writing to the file. Let's run the file. One more thing I missed the comma, and let's run the file again. So this time the process has finished. Let's check the file, and let's open up the file again. And now we can see the content has changed.